Don't sweat it means don't worry about it. Real conversation example. Hey, did you get my message about bringing my jacket I forgot at your house? Oh, no, I didn't. I'm sorry. I can go back and get it quick if you want. Nah, don't sweat it. It's not that cold out right now anyway. Okay, but I'm sorry I forgot.